Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to download firmware update. In the beginning, let's go to RAZER website. Now go to Console and Controllers, PlayStation, and select RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. Here, find Support, select the controller, and now select Download Software and Firmware Updates. Download. Now select Firmware Updater and install it. Tap Next. Select Controller or Controller and Dongle. And follow the next steps. Select Wired Mode and connect your controller to PC via cable. Then press Update. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.